the leaves are almost gone, and we've said goodbye to all the singing loons. I grabbed my tackle box, the one that Dad bought him, relaxing full of buckshot rattle spoons. Now it's December, very bitter in the air, but the lakes, they are turning into glass. Pack up the rods, but you gotta be real careful, cause they only make them out of fiberglass. Finally time to say goodbye to fall. This winter I'll mount trophies on my wall. Replace my Lindy rigs with some yellow and red moon jigs. Say up north we got 7-8 inches of ice. Got the tip-ups, whiskey hiccups, while I'm jigging the night away. If it were up to me, I'd raise the slot to 11 walleyes. Shotgun a lager, then I fire up the auger, and I'm drilling till the ice gives away. Scoop out the hole before I rig my favorite pole, and with the knife I'm gonna use to fillet. Before I even know the bobber's buried down below, I set the hook, this hog has some weight. Another man will laugh, my line immediately snaps, the drag's too tight, confirming my fate. I'll never mount a trophy on my wall. Instead I'll drown in pure grain alcohol. Replace my Lindy rigs with some yellow and red moon jigs. Say up north we got 7-8 inches of ice. Got the tip-ups, whiskey hiccups, while I'm jigging the night away. If it were up to me, I'd raise the slot to 11 wall.